Use in when you are inside something small and closed. And use on when you are on something big, open, or shared. Number one, I'm blank the car. Cars are small and closed. So we say in the car. Number two, we are blank the bus. A bus is big and open to many people. So that's on the bus. Number three, she is blank the taxi. A taxi is small and closed. So the answer is in the taxi. Number four, they are blank the train. Trains are long, shared, and big. So the answer is on the train. Number five, he is blank the bike. A bike has no roof and is totally open, so the answer is on the bike. Number six, my cat is blank the truck. Poor cat, right? But yes, trucks are closed inside, so in the truck. Number seven, we are blank the sheep. Ships are huge. You walk around. So the answer is on the ship. Number eight, I left my bag blank the plane. This is important. We usually say on the plane when we talk about travel or luggage. If you mean the physical inside, you could say in, but the normal everyday choice is on the plane. Number nine, Grandpa is playing the subway. Subways are big and shared, so we say on the subway. Number 10, we are playing the scooter. A scooter is small but open, and it has two wheels, so the answer is on the scooter. Number 11, she is playing the helicopter. You climb into it. Closed inside, so it's in the helicopter. Number 12, they are blank the boat. A canoe is very open, so we say on the boat. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard to make these lessons fun and clear for you, so please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me keep going. Thank you.